Dogecoin just beat Bitcoin. Hello lovely YouTube family. In today's video we're going to talk about Dogecoin just beat Bitcoin. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. Can Dogecoin be the new Bitcoin? As we all know, the price of Dogecoin has risen from 25 cents to 33 cents in a relatively short period of time. The value of a cryptocurrency that started out as a joke is now skyrocketing. If you're a cryptocurrency enthusiast, stay on because we've got a hot topic today about Dogecoin. We'll talk about how Dogecoin plans to become Bitcoin in 2021. The year 2020 was excellent for cryptocurrencies because the rest of the economy declined, and the values of most cryptocurrencies grew or remained with the range of values, but the year 2021 seems extremely promising. In the first 2 months, the price of Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin has risen. Dogecoin, like any other cryptocurrency, has suffered tremendous price fluctuation. From 0.002 cents in July 2020 to nearly double to a few days to $0.004, the crypto money has surged against the US dollar for approximately 7/44 of the year so far. The previous high of $0.05 was set on January 2021, and the price is now fluctuating. The excessive price may be retested, and then we can provide our assistance. Waiting to see how the pricing will operate in this regard while the price is falling is prudent. Although we cannot be confident about the price of Dogecoin, the most likely direction is cautious. The coin seemed to have started as a prank to settle the growing number of dubious cryptocurrencies. Its rise, on the other hand, has been nothing short of phenomenal. It currently ranks 10th in the globe. The joke currency has been affected by high-profile people's recent backing. The price of Dogecoin will continue to grow if notable individuals continue to be obsessed with it. The bullish Dogecoin wave is still going strong in April. Dogecoin is expected to reach a value of $0.049 in early May, according to analysts. The minimum price is projected to be around $0.040, with a maximum of $0.064. By the end of the month, the price will have risen to $0.059. Dogecoin's upward trend is predicted to continue. By September, the price of Dogecoin will have risen to $0.781, and the balls will still be in control for the rest of the year. In October, the price will rise by $0.09, rising to $0.08 in November. In December, additional balls will likely join the car, driving the price higher to test the resistance zone. Analysis both technical and the Dogecoin price movement is based on chance and a combination of bullet candles and diversified markets. Around the middle of February, Dogecoin charts created a descending triangle with a solid trend. If the price breaks through the resistance, we may expect price movements higher. If the price breaks through the resistance, we may expect a downwards break at the area of $0.045. This level is supported by a previous price gap. The price of Dogecoin will be positive until 2025. Over the 0.12 mark, the charts will show an upward twin with usual ups and downs. One of the most encouraging features of the basic analysis is the rising popularity of A-list celebrities. Elon Musk's tweets have had an impact on the Dogecoin price. In addition to his memoirs from Doge, he identified himself as the unofficial CEO of Doge. Gene Simmons also stated that he would buy the currency, but that is not all. He also stated that rapper Lil Yachty will invest a large portion of his wealth into it. Another important factor that will affect Dogecoins is government regulation. Nigeria, the world's second largest Bitcoin market, has banned the use of cryptocurrency. The Indian administration also plans to ban cryptocurrencies. The lighthouse is the creation of crypto custody and financial giants including JP Morgan. Moreover, most card payment giants will unveil a platform to allow traders to pay for crypto. Visa has also released similar plans, the Musk effect following the Bitcoin certificate. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has stated that if Dogecoin's major cryptocurrency holders sell their coins, he will fully support them. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency created by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer who wanted to create a payment system. Almost 113 billion coins have already been mined. Elon Musk recently announced that Dogecoin holders who sell the majority of their coins have his full backing. In the context of Bitcoin and Ether, the search for Dogecoin has surged by over 659% this year. Dogecoin is Musk's favorite cryptocurrency, and he even bought some for his son. With a single word Doge tweet earlier this month, the tech millionaire prompted a Dogecoin price spike. Dogecoin has risen more than 50% in only 24 hours. Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk stressed in later tweets that the Doge is not a cryptocurrency and that the only way to be the sole Doge is to be the only Doge. Tesla made $1.5 billion cryptocurrency investment in Bitcoin last week. The statement resulted in a 440,000% spike in the price of one Bitcoin. Dogecoin's ascent demonstrates the strength of group convictions and the need for a better kind of encryption. Therefore, we should take it really seriously. How do you do that? How is something absurd going on to be undeniably real? This is partly because reality seems more shaped rather than underlying facts by collective belief. Based on the recent release of its final core software 2 years ago, the collective beef can outweigh more practical difficulties. Dogecoin is practically terminated by its developers. Others pointed out that they don't have their miners with them, leaving them exposed to assault. According to critics, the latest Doge boom is driven by speculation rather than underlying worth. Dogecoin is a sentiment-driven asset, however many things now appear to be made by a large number of individuals and produced by social media rocket fuel. The most prominent example is GameStop, when Redditors banded together to boost a substantially lower stock price. Dogecoin is an ideal version of Bitcoin. It's bizarre and exists outside of the financial system. The founders effectively departed the scene and allowed the community to dominate. The large banks don't want anything to do with it. It's reasonable to predict that both Goldman Sachs and Dogecoin will take some time to make huge news. Bitcoin has matured and there are now more traditional actors to consider. There's great for mainstream adoption and possibly the entire industry, but Bitcoin's maturation has led to some centralization. The disproportionate influence benefits large investors and certain mining pools and exchanges. Because Dogecoin is inflationary, not valuable, lacks institutional investment interest, does not support developers, has a limited use case, and is the worst in the US dollar, it'll never catch up to Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently has a market capitalization of $1,100 billion, whereas Dogecoin has a market capitalization of $800 billion. The current price of Bitcoin is $60,000 per coin, whereas the price of Dogecoin is 60 cents per token. We can confidently state that the price of Dogecoin never exceeds $10 each dosage. In terms of technology, Bitcoin and Dogecoin are identical. The block size for both of them is 1 megabyte. There is presently 130 billion Dogecoins in circulation. Bitcoin has a 21 million asset maximum with 19 million coins produced as of today. When compared to Bitcoin, Doge's supply is 7,000 times larger. It is projected that around 20% of Bitcoin will be lost forever. In comparison to Bitcoin, Dogecoin is non-inflationary and has no supply. Every minute, 10,000 Doges are added to the network. At this rate, miners are producing nearly 5 billion coins per year. Because of this inflationary paradigm, the inflation of the US dollar is lower than that of Dogecoin. Dogecoin is not a store of value. Almost everyone in the crypto community, including institutional investors, Bitcoin is deflationary, thus it's a good investment. Doge interest, on the other hand, invests less of a network devalues it by the minute. When a corporation issues new shares to raise additional funds, it is deemed negative since current investors invest in lower. Since the block time for Dogecoin is 1 minute, the Doge blockchain technically can process 10 times more transactions in a given unit of time than blockchain Doge, therefore it's faster than Bitcoin. This is not the entire story, however. US dollars has begun to replace Bitcoin. The 2008 housing collapse and government rescue of the major banks have made people fed up. They wanted to create Federal Reserve-free, decentralized financial systems. The Bitcoin creator put Bitcoin on the supply of 21 million because the idea of unlimited supply did not appeal to him. The Federal Reserve prints cash and increases the economy's inflation. We have managed to reach the end of the video. Thank you much for watching. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any amazing video from us.